Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the third video I'm adding to YouTube for the people to understand what corrosion is. This video shows the basic concepts of corrosion. And this first slide has my name on it, telephone number, and address. This slide shows introduction to the concept of corrosion. Concepts on corrosion have gone through different levels of understanding and are still in progress. This slide shows the earlier concept of corrosion, which is considered as the biblical concept. Biblical concept of corrosion is the simplest and comprehensive of all concepts. Biblical way to understand corrosion is ash to ash and dust to dust. Whatever has come from earth, that goes back to earth. Invariably, all materials, one way or the other, come from the earth and eventually go back to earth. This slide shows the metallurgical concept. Metallurgical concept confines the corrosion to metallic materials. Metals are recovered from their ores by incorporating energy from externals. During corrosion, recovered metals go back to their ores. Thermodynamics concept. Metals in their metallurgical recovered state retain the energy given during metallurgical recovery and rise to a higher energy level. Metals are recovered from ores. Ores are the lowest energy state of metals. During corrosion, the metallurgical recovered metals lose their energy and revert to their lowest energy state. Electrochemical concept. The electrochemical concept of corrosion of metallic materials incorporates the formation of an electrochemical cell through which the corrosion proceeds. The electrochemical cell is composed of four elements: the anode, electron donor. Corrosion occurs at the anode. The cathode, electron acceptor. No corrosion is expected to occur at the cathode. Electrolyte, ionic conductor. Ionic current flows through the electrolyte. Metal, electron conductor. Electronic current flows through the electron conductor. If any of the four elements is missing, the electrochemical cell is not complete and no electrochemical corrosion takes place. The electrochemical corrosion cell may form on the same metal or may form on different metals, separated by electrolyte, while in continuous electronic and ionic flow. Chemical concept of corrosion. The corrosion of non-metallic materials follow the chemical concept of corrosion. The non-metallic materials are non-conductor of electrons. The non-metallic materials suffer from corrosion by dissolution mechanism when come in contact with incompatible corrosive chemicals. Physical concept of corrosion. Reinforced concrete structures, metallic and non-metallic equipment and materials are vulnerable to physical damages and disintegration when subjected to mechanical impacts, abrasion, and erosion. Atomic concept. Corrosion at atomic scale is considered as the process in which atoms or molecules are removed one at a time. The evaporation of a matter into vacuum falls within the scope of this concept. Scientific concept. Scientific concept revolves around the extent of oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation reactions on metallic surfaces lead to corrosion, and reduction reactions on metallic surfaces are immune to corrosion. Engineering concept. Engineers look into the application of materials, corrosion allowance, design life, uninterrupted operation, economic safety without failure. Sometimes the engineering concepts of certain and equipment and structures fail without warning and without meeting the design life. Industry concept. Industrial units suffer from minor corrosion to complete havoc and requires rethinking from a broader spectrum than just mere an interaction between the materials and the environment. The assets loss, human loss, production loss, insurance liabilities, environmental damages, local community and national legislation, constraints on future developments are parts of corrosion havocs. Risk-based concept. Risk-based concept covers the probability of corrosion and the cost of corrosion. In this concept, the corrosion is taken as a failure of the equipment, and the cost element covers the entire extent of damage inflicted by the failure. This is a broad-based concept that has added a financial element to the concept of corrosion.